Are you ready? Gotta watch out this time of day for a car coming along with no headlights on. You think it's clear and you pull out, you get cleaned up. Don't want to get cleaned up. So since we're out here almost dark, we can try and give you some tips and tricks on riding your motorcycle at nighttime. So one of my favorite tips that I'm really bad at following myself is wearing a clear visor at night. I have a tinted one on right now, and even in this low lighting, I want to say it's like 8 p.m., 8:30 maybe. Even in this low lighting, it's really hard for me to see, especially certain like bumps and textures on the road. And that's what I'm really looking out for with my eyes up ahead: hazards, bumps, different textures, gravel. With this tinted visor, it makes that a lot more difficult to gather that information. Get a clear visor. Either put it on if you know you're going out to ride in the nighttime, or carry a clear one in your backpack if you like wearing a tinted one during the day. Then if you stay out late, you can just pull over, swap out for the clear one, and then you're good to go again. Another good tip for nighttime riding is to slow down. There's something called overriding your headlight, and it basically comes down to your headlight shines on the road. My headlights kind of suck, so they don't really shine at all, but if you have normal good headlights, they illuminate a certain distance up ahead of you on the road so that you can see. If you can't stop your motorcycle within that illuminated area, then it means you're riding too fast and you need to slow it down, right? I don't have any information about the world past that headlight's beam, right? It might be the end of the world right there. So I don't want to be hauling ass and overriding my headlight, meaning going too fast to gather information for what I can see. If I can't stop in that area that I can see, it's not safe, right? So don't override your headlight. That's a good tip. Another good tip for riding your motorcycle at night, we're actually gonna move over and let Instructor Val take the lead so I can show you an example if she wants to. So another great tip for riding your motorcycle at night is if you're having trouble seeing, you can use the tail lights of vehicles in front of you. So for example, I can use her little tail light there, and I can gain information based on what I observe of her tail light. So if I see her tail light suddenly go up and down, what does that tell me coming up? That there's a bump in the road, right? So I can gain information using the tail lights, headlights of other vehicles, and gain information about the road that I maybe can't see with my naked eye, especially if I have a tinted visor on. So use those headlights, tail lights of other vehicles to help you gain information about what's coming. Notice I can see her blinker come on there and her brake light lighting up. Even if I couldn't see this stop sign for some reason, that could let me know that, hey, she's slowing down. There's some reason to slow down or stop up ahead. I should think about doing the same. And if I see the turn signal come on, it lets me know that she's turning. And I should probably do the same if I want to go, where she's going. If I'm sick of her, then, maybe I'll go the other way.